Hi everyone, let's talk about how you can create a YouTube channel in easy steps. You will agree with me that you can watch and like videos and subscribe to channels with a Google account. But without a YouTube channel, you cannot have a presence. You won't have a public presence on YouTube. It means that people cannot watch your videos. You're not able to upload videos. You're not able to do a number of things on YouTube. So join me on this as I show you how to get started. So first off, I need you to go to youtube.com and we go up from there. You're going to click on this profile picture, something that looks like a profile picture. So if you are new on YouTube, you would have this place with my cursor. Look, you'll find it just at the top right hand side of your screen. You'll find something that looks like your profile picture. Then you click on it. Once clicked upon, it takes you to this place. Then you go down, you go to settings. When you click on settings, it opens up this page for you, right? Then you go down to add or manage your channel. Click on it. Add or manage your channel is right here. You click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to take you straight up to this place where you see the number of channels. So here I have two active channels. I have the Rosemary Nwosu channel and the Myro Animations channel. So let's say I want to create a new channel, or if I didn't have any channel at all, I would only see this create channel. But since I already have two channels, both of them are showing up here. So I want to create a new channel. I'll just click on create a channel. Then when I click on this, it's loading up. So I am asked to, it says this is used to publicly represent your channel on YouTube. You can change this later. So they are referring to the profile picture. They want me to select the profile picture and a name. So I select the profile picture and a name, then a handle, my username, right? So after I have selected this, let's do this. So just click on, it's not a must that I put a profile picture at this point. I can always put it later on. But here, let's call this channel what do we call it? Let's call it Myro Tutorials. Myro Tutorials. Okay. So yeah, see, automatically it picks a handle for me. Automatically it picks a handle, Myro Tutorials, at Myro Tutorials as my username, right? But if I don't want this username, I can as well clean it off and select another one. But then they have to tell me if it is available or not with the green mark here. They tell me if that username that I have chosen is available or not. So this is showing that Myro Tutorials is available. So I'll just go ahead and create channel. So we'll give it a few seconds and see how we go from here. So YouTube channel is one of the most lucrative things, lucrative assets you should own in 2024, because this has made a whole lot of people. So many people have turned YouTubing into their main hustle. It's no longer a side hustle. Someone once said that the very day you earn your first money on YouTube, then you are going to decide which is going to be your side hustle. Is it your 9 to 5 job or your YouTube channel? So with this, the channel is created. So on the next one, on the next video, we're going to talk about how to properly customize your channel to attract viewers, to attract people. Thank you for joining me on this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.